Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a card title change dynamically with slicer selection in Power BI. This is a fantastic way to create more interactive and context-aware reports that respond to user input in real time. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI desktop application and wait for it to load completely. Once you're in, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the Visualizations panel. This is where all your visual options live and where we'll be working throughout this tutorial. Start by clicking on the card icon in the Visualizations panel. This will add a card visual to your canvas. The card visual is perfect for displaying single values prominently. Next, you need to input a value into the Fields section. For this example, let's use sales. Simply drag the sales field into the card visual and you'll see it display the aggregated sales value. This gives you the foundation for what we're building. Now we need to add the slicer that will control our card title. Click on the slicer icon in the Visualizations panel to insert a slicer visual onto your canvas. Once it appears, input a value into the Fields section. For this demonstration, we'll use country. Drag the country field into the slicer, and you'll see a list of countries appear that users can select from. This slicer will be the interactive element that changes our card title. With both visuals now on your canvas, click back on the card visual to select it. Make sure it's highlighted so that all the formatting options apply to this specific visual. On the right side in the Visualizations panel, look for and click the Format icon. This looks like a paint roller and opens up all the formatting options for your card. In the Format pane, click on General to expand those settings. Scroll through the options until you find the Title section. You'll notice there's a toggle button next to Title. Click this toggle to turn the title on. Once activated, you'll see additional options appear beneath it. Under the title settings, look for a text field with the label text. Right beside this text field, you'll see a small FX button. This is the formula or conditional formatting button that allows us to make the title dynamic. Click on FX to open the formatting dialog. In the dialog that appears, you'll see an option for format style. Click the drop-down menu and select field value. This tells Power BI that instead of using static text, the title should pull its value from a data field. Below that, you'll see another section labeled What Field Should We Base This On? Click the drop-down menu here and select Country or whichever field you used in your slicer earlier. This creates the connection between your slicer selection and the card title. Once you've made your selection, click OK to apply the changes and close the dialog. Power BI will take a moment to process and apply these settings to your card visual. Now comes the exciting part. Try clicking on different values in your slicer and watch as the title of the card visual changes automatically to match your selection. Each time you select a different country, the card title updates instantly to reflect that choice, making your report much more dynamic and user-friendly. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic card title that responds to slicer selections in Power BI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.